Silver. But let's talk about the auto sector. The top three losers on the Nifty today are in the auto space. It's Eicher Motors, after that Bajaj Auto, which is down for the second day in a row, followed by M&M. So these are our stocks which are in the move at 10 a.m. Mangalam is here to tell us more about Eicher Motors and the miss that we've seen on Royal Enfield sales.
Well, it was indeed a miss on the Royal Enfield sales numbers. So the street was bracing itself for, good performance on the premium end. This time around, it wasn't the case for Royal Enfield. In fact, while year on year, the revenues grew, or rather, the units that they sold grew by around 37% to 70,766 units. The street was bracing itself for, unit sale of close to around 73,800 odd units. So 3,000 less bikes is what they've sold this time around. But, the silver lining, however, here is ICICI Securities says that new product launches from Royal Enfield actually aided RE gain 35 basis points in its market share. So it may so be that while the market is growing, they are growing faster than the market growth itself is slightly lower than anticipated, and that's perhaps because of the pickup in rural, etc. is much lower, and that is something that we'll be watching out for going forward. So Royal Enfield sales were a mild miss, but they did gain some market share, so we'll have to see how the other players perform here as well.
All right, Mangalam, thanks very much. What 3% cut there. Divis Laboratories is the other one which is in focus. Ekta is here to tell us why. Ekta, hi.
Thanks for that. Well, yes, there is a Morgan Stanley report which has come out for Divis Labs. They have initiated with an underweight rating and a target price of 3,053 rupees. According to them, it is a strong business, but it is in a lean phase. Now, they've delivered strong shareholder returns over the past several years. However, the company now appears to be going through a lean growth phase, relatively slow EPS growth phase versus its historical trend. And this can probably drive the stock to underperform peers. Valuations also appear rich. Stock is trading at around 38.8 times FY23 estimated EPS and 34.3 times FY24 estimated EPS forecast. And however, some of the key positives with regards to what Morgan Stanley has pointed out is that Divis Labs has a cash-rich balance sheet with around 3,340 crores of net cash as of Q2 FY23 and a capital-efficient business with 24 to 25% return on equity.
All right, thanks very much, Ekta, for that. That's Divis